Imagine bouncing over rocky Afghan trails or urban Iraqi streets where every shadow could hide an IED. Your ride needs to be light on its feet like a Humvee, but armored like an MRAP. Enter the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, JLTV. Oshkosh Defense's, with AM General now producing variants too, game-changing beast that's revolutionizing tactical mobility for the U.S. military and allies. Built to replace the aging Humvee fleet, the JLTV blends insane off-road prowess scalable blast protection, and modern tech in a package that's transportable by helicopter or C-130. Following our deep dives into vehicles like the MATV and Humvee, the JLTV feels like the natural evolution, a smarter, tougher workhorse for tomorrow's battlefields. Let's unpack its origins, specs, capabilities, and why it's already a legend. The JLTV program kicked off in 2007 amid the Humvee's brutal lessons in Iraq and Afghanistan. Too many troops were lost to roadside bombs, and while MRAPs like the MATV saved lives, they were too heavy for patrols or air transport. The Pentagon wanted a Goldilocks vehicle. Humvee mobility with MRAP-level protection at half the weight. Oshkosh Defense clinched the contract in 2015. After beating Lockheed Martin and AM General. First deliveries hit the Army and Marines in 2018, with over 20,000 planned. By 2026, it's deployed worldwide, from U.S. bases to Ukraine aid packages. Cost? Around $400,000 per unit. Pricey, but a bargain for the lives it saves. The JLTV looks rugged yet sleek. Angular armored hull, massive tires, and that signature TAK4 eye suspension making it flex like a monster truck. It's available in 2-door, utility/combat support, and 4-door, close combat/general purpose, configs. Core specs tell the story. Dimensions: approximately 20.5 feet, 6.2 meters in length, 8.2 feet, 2.5 meters in width, 8.5 feet, 2.6 meters in height. Varies by variant. Curb weight: around 14,000 pounds, 6,350 kilograms, half an MRAP. Twice a Humvee's protection. Payload: 5,100 pounds, 2-door, 3,500 pounds, 4-door, seats 4 to 6 troops plus gear. Engine, 6.6 liters, Duramax turbo diesel V8, 400 horsepower, Allison automatic transmission. Top speed, 70 plus miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour on roads, 20 inches wheel travel off-road. Range, about 300 plus miles, 480 kilometers on a full tank of fuel. Suspension, TAK4i Intelligent Independent System. Auto adjusts for terrain, 70% faster off-road than Humvee. Transport, sling loadable by CH-47 Chinook, internal on C-130/C-17. That suspension, it devours ruts, climbs 60% grades, fords 2.5 feet water, and survives 10,000-mile abuse cycles. Ground clearance hits 16 plus inches, with run-flat tires and central inflation for instant tweaks. JLTV's magic is its scalable armor. Bolt-on B-kits, base, or A-kits, heavy. Let crews dial protection from light patrol to full MRAP mode in hours. Standout features: V-hull and monocoque capsule. Deflects blasts, survives 14 kilograms of TNT under hull. Blast seats, energy absorbing, floor mounted to shield from shock waves. Ballistics, Stanig 4569 level 1 to 4, stops 14.5 millimeter rounds, RPGs with add-ons. Fire suppression, auto system douses engine or cabin flames instantly. Tech defenses, jammers, smoke grenade launchers, optional active protection systems, APS. It's MRAP tough at Humvee weight. Proven in tests shrugging multiple IED hits that would vaporize older rigs. JLTV packs heat via remote weapon stations, RWS, like Crow's 2. Weapons, M2.50 caliber. MK-19 grenade launcher. M240MG. Anti-tank missiles, like the Tau missiles or Javelin missiles. Air defense missiles, like the Stinger missiles. Even 30mm cannons on Heavy Guns Carrier, HGC. payload bay, mounts mortars, or drones. Variants cover every need. General purpose, 4-door. Squad taxi with gear, the workhorse for patrols and convoys. Close combat weapons carrier. Gun truck with extra punch. Heavy guns carrier. Mortar or missile platform. Utility, 2-door. Cargo hauler. Special purpose. Ambulances. Command posts. MADIS, Marine Air Defense Integrated System. Plug-and-play C4 ICE-R bays integrate drones, jammers, and battle management systems. Future-proof for lasers or hybrid power. Fielded since 2019, JLTVs have logged brutal miles in training and ops. Marines used early units in desert exercises. Army brigades tested in Europe. By 2026, hundreds aid Ukraine, shredding Russian armor per open-source reports. Troops love it. Quieter cabin, ergonomic seats, AC, and 95% readiness rates. It keeps pace with infantry. Slings under helos for rapid response, and tows like a champ. Oshkosh's A2 upgrade, 2024 Plus, adds hybrid power, better batteries, lighter composites, and AI-driven maintenance. Service life, 2040 easy. Allies like UK, Australia, Israel, Romania buy in, proving global appeal. JLTV beats Humvee across the board. Three times protection, 2 times payload, double reliability. It's the bridge to robotic/autonomous vehicles while staying human-driven. Why JLTV wins wars. Balanced beast. Mobility plus protection without compromise. Modular magic, swap kits, weapons, and tech in the field. Logistics light, cheaper to ship/fix than MRAPS. Troop trust, saves lives and boosts morale. In contested littorals or pier fights, JLTV lets squads maneuver aggressively. The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle isn't evolution. It's revolution on wheels. It fixes Humvee's Achilles heel protection without MRAP's baggage immobility. Tough enough for hell. Light enough for helos. Smart enough for networked war. As drones swarm and missiles fly, JLTV keeps boots on ground, guns forward, and safe. Next time you see troops convoying through hostile turf, know the JLTV's got their back. Fast, tough, and ready. The future of tactical wheels just got a whole lot brighter. For more military technology insights, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Truman, signing off. Stay informed and stay safe.